A 9-year-old boy in Starkville will soon be moved to Central Corrections Facility in Pearl. That is where Christopher Perkins will spend the rest of his life. Perkins was found guilty of first-degree murder in the death of 8-year-old Lassane Kemp. As WTVA's Jake White reports, the district attorney says justice was served.
Yeah, District Attorney Scott Colom was emotional this morning at a news conference at the Starkville Police Department. Him and Mark Ballard were both making remarks on Christopher Perkins, the man who took the life of a 9-year-old boy away from his family and community. Christopher Perkins will wake up inside a cold, cramped, and colorless prison cell every morning for the rest of his life.
We lost the case of innocence.
A jury found Perkins guilty of first-degree murder in the death of 9-year-old Lassane Kemp on Thursday. Perkins was also found guilty on 2 counts of aggravated assault. A judge sentenced Perkins to life in prison on the murder charge and 20 years for each aggravated assault count to run concurrently.
Make no mistake about it, this is not a celebration. This is a day of relief.
The murder happened in 2022 on Santa Anita Drive in Starkville. Perkins was in an ongoing dispute with another man who was living in the area. That's when Perkins shot into a vehicle, and 9-year-old Lassane Kemp, who was inside of the car, was killed. The district attorney held up a picture of little Lassane Kemp during the press conference. The DA says the little boy was innocent and had his entire life ahead of him.
So, I showed this picture of Lassane Kemp Jr. to the jury, and it represents an innocence that we all hold dear.
And for all the people in the Starkville or Oktibbeha County area that care about combating crime, consider putting forth, donating a camera, or just consider joining our Community Connect program. Because had these cameras not been in place, had we not taken that advanced embracing technology, we would not have had these leads to bring conclusion, to bring justice.
There were 3 other people in the car at the time of the shooting. The DA says that all 3 of them worked closely with investigators to identify and prosecute Christopher Perkins, but they also admitted to violent crimes and will be prosecuted. In Starkville, Jake White, WTVA 9 News.
New at 4:30, a couple